Today my lesson is foot stance way. How to use foots for fighting. Look at it is round foot stance way for side kick. It is round foot stance way. Now you can see proper way how to do. You can cross leg like this and kick after need to come back. Now you can practice like this. Now you can go to opponent's area like this. It is very important for fighting. You can't go working for face to opponent. It is wrong way. Now you can see proper way go to your opponents. It is very effective for your foot stance way. Not only that, you can save your time. Now it is another round foot stance technique. Now you can see it is round technique. Now you can use sport science plane and axis theory. Now you can see it is very effective than before technique. Now you can see proper way. It is very important for practicing foot stance way. Now you can see how to save in your time and go to opponent's area. Now you know you can't go to work in opponent's areas. It is not suitable. Now you can practice how to do in yourself in alone in home. You can apply like this. It is very important for foot stance ways.